Sheriff Randall Boyce had been scheduled to meet Friday afternoon with Torry Hansen and her mother Nancy Hansen about the child being returned to Russia, but the meeting did not take place.
She may be here sometime next week, but as of today, she will not be here.
Say that again.
She will not be here today.
Did she give you a reason why, Sheriff?
She just called and said that her attorney didn't think it was in her best interest at this point. I'm sorry. I think mainly because of the media being here. Well, we'll talk to her eventually. You look at it and it's hard to say exactly if a law has been broken here. This is a very unique deal. We'll just have to look at it and see what has been done and what can be done about it so that this doesn't happen again.
Sure.
Well, she doesn't have any charges now. If she did, we would be out looking for her. But there may be charges, there may not be charges. It's hard to put your finger on anything or any law that she has actually broken at this point.
So what are you doing to determine that? Are you talking with other folks in law enforcement
Right.
to take a look at the law?
Right. We're working with the DA's office and some other officials and seeing what can be done here as to what will be done. This is, a little bit over the sheriff's department's head. We're out getting thieves and dope dealers mostly, and this is kind of an international deal, as you all know, and we're just going to handle it a little bit at a time so we don't make a mistake. We don't. But if there is a law broken here, we will do something about it.
Can
you don't
you
have to
tell
worry
us-
about that. I feel like by the middle of this next week, we'll have a real good idea what we're going to do. So far, we're looking everywhere to see if we can find where the child has been in school here or not. So far, we hadn't found anything, but that don't necessarily mean anything. Could have been homeschooled, could have been carried to another county, several different things. It could.
Sheriff,
We're here, and the child is in Russia. So, it's hard for us to know where this child's been abused or not. He's half the world away,
you've had no reports prior
No,
to this?
never any reports prior. The adoption agency said that they had spoke with her, I think, the last time in January, and everything appeared to be fine.
What's your gut tell you, Sheriff? Is this a crime?
I'm not sure. It could be possibly, but then again, it's hard to put your finger on anything unless this child has been abused. If that's the case, they can get ready. We're not gonna tolerate a child being abused.